Ooh. Okay, so I guess we're recording now. Let me adjust. So, I know there's a little viewfinder right above me. I'm gonna try to ignore that. And for today, we're just gonna be testing out this camera. I'm super excited. My husband got it for me for my birthday. And so, we are just gonna go straight in, do a little bit of mist. Just get the face nice and wet. Already moisturized, so I'm going to go ahead and prime. And I'm actually going to prime with the NYX Bear With Me. The NYX Bear With Me primer. And I think it's cool because it's like jelly, like kind of weird, but kind of cool. All right. Now that we're all nice and primed, we're gonna go ahead and start on brows. And this is just kind of a test run just to kind of see how well this camera performs. I'm still really excited. It's cool. Sorry, this camera's really good. I'm excited to use it. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. This is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. I'm filming.
Oh, whoops.
I'm gonna cut this audio out.
Okay. So are you gonna, what time do you get from here?
I think we're leaving at 4. He hasn't left work yet.
Okay. I'm just doing some laundry.
Alright, say hi to the people.
Hello to the people.
The LA Girl Pro Coverage. I'm gonna go back in with some concealer, and once again, Next, we're going to be taking some powder. I'm going to be using the KVD Lock-It translucent powder. Okay, next we're going to be going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Now we're gonna go ahead and get to a little bit of eyeshadow. Today I'm gonna be using the PURxRawbeautykristi palette. This palette has 9 shades on the front, and then it's got 9 shades on the other side. So I think I'm just gonna go for a little bit more neutral look. I'm trying out this camera, so I wanna see what my makeup just looks like under it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Next, we're going to be going in with the Becky G Salvaje palette from ColourPop. And we're actually going to go into this color right here. It's called Celosa. It means jealous. We're just going to put that right on the lid. Alright, and then we're gonna go in with a fluffy brush back into this palette. We're gonna go into Camelot right here. Okay. Next, we're gonna go in with a little bit of brow gel just so that my brows don't look so dry. And this is from Essence. I'm gonna go into B, it's warm brown. Okay. Back in with a little bit of spray. I'm gonna use this LA Colors matte setting spray. We're gonna take a little bit of bronzer. Revolution Ultra Bronze. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of highlight. Lip, I am actually going to use this MAC lipstick in Whirl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not sure what number video this is going to be. This may be 1, this may be 4. I'm really just trying to test everything out and see if I really like YouTube. This is my summer makeup, not summer mascara, summer makeup, and I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to subscribe and like and do all of those things. I am just starting out, but you know, we're just having fun. We're seeing where it takes us. We're gonna see how it goes. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to be safe, stay strong, and we will catch you on the flip. Bye.